Line number 349, no? Or 249? 349. Today we have to finish things. Okay. $249 or 349? 349. 340. Some practice and came, some not without practice. Okay, fine. We'll start from here. So equal to what? 65. And what type it is? Okay, go to clarity. 65 space class of n. Okay. When shall I use ORD? When shall I use CHR? In the ORD, what I can pass? In the CHR, what I can pass? Don't see there. Okay, C also fine. In the case of ORD, what's the hint last I gave class? On Saturday class? Hint. Make a shortcut. ORS. So when I say ORD means what? ORS. ORD require what? String. CHR will take what? Integer values. Now let me suppose ORD of 1. We don't know. So no, we don't know. 49. Yeah. 48 is 0 and 49 is what? 1. Similarly, you can pass other numbers also there. In the case of CHR, means character. 00, all 00 means what? 0. 010 or 101. So this you can't get why, because you have to again open the ASCII chat. You have to open the ASCII chat. So open any browser. So ASCII chat. So what I told there is CHR for 0000. What I get there? No. 41 is what here? 41 is what? Not simple. Let us see 41 is not simple. 41. 40 means what? Not simple. Means in terms of what? Octal. See here, 0 means what here? Octal. Like few things now again we have to discuss here. This topic again will come under the number system part. Like as of now, just keep this aside once, or shall we complete the number system part now? Okay, we'll complete. See now. See here, first of all, with 5 will start. 5 I want in terms of binary. Means what will do? That's it. Okay, all MPC here. No. Then 5 I want in terms of what? Binary. LCM with what number there? 2. 2 2s are 4. Remember how much? 1. Next. 2 1s are 2. Remember how much? 0. Can we get something else more? No. So bottom to top. What's the answer there? 1 0 1. How to do verification? Yeah, first write 1, then 0, then 1. Power out 0, then 1 here, then what here? 2. So value into so and so thing. 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus not 1 into 0 0. I am only wrong. I'm not saying thereafter. Okay. 1 into 2 power 0. Anything power 0, how much? 1. So first 1 into 4 2 square 4. 4 plus 0 into something 0 plus 1 into 2 power 0 what? 1. So 1 into 1 1. So 4 plus 1 how much? Okay. So 101 in terms of binary. So binary 5 in terms of binary how much? 101. But in the Python, I will get the answer by default in small letters. First of all, 0. I'm writing 0 differently again here. Well, I'll tell you. Okay. 0 small b. 0 small b 1 0 1. In the MCQs option, I'm not able to find the small b. Okay, asking the what binary of 5. I know 101. Okay. In Python, I get the what 0p101. By default, this is the answer I'm getting. Okay, fine, correct. But in Python, you're not able to find small b. Then in the MCQs option, you can go with capital B also. You can go with what? Capital B. First copy this one, I'll show practical now. Same, completing number system part over here only, okay? Not completely, like 20% of number system over here. So when I say binary means what? LCM by what number there? 2. And in Python, if I want to get this 5 in terms of binary, what I'll do simply I'll do what? I'll write in the orange color part here. Print and write bin and write. Bin of what? 5. Then I get the answer. What I'll get answer? Hash. I'll be able to get 0 small b 0 small b 101. This is the answer I get in the Python. So shortcut I have there. But now we are in safe zone only. No one going to write going to company and attend interview. All are doing what? Online interview only. So in that case, what happens? You're getting the system there. Yes or no? That time you can apply a system there. Write print bin of so and so number. But suppose you are going offline, then you have to manually have to solve it. Okay. So let us see this answer is correct or wrong. I'll make a part here. So print bin of 5. Okay. Print bin of 5. You're getting 0b101. Let us see someone see, and this what is the type here? In the output, I'm getting small b now. Then it is of type what? String. Let me explain it properly again. Suppose if I store v equal to or any variable bin of what? 5. Yes, because I want to show what type it is. Like such that you should not again think like it is like how int is there, float is there. Like binary is also one part. No, there is something called as binary data type. I get the answer in terms of string. That is what I want to show. Print v, then type of v. Type of v. First of all, what is the answer of v in terms binary of v? Answer there 0 small b. See this O. We got 0 b 101 space. I'm saying it is of class of what? String. What type it is? A class of string. Let us see my answer is correct or wrong. Yes. Why string? Because in the output I'm getting the what? Alphabet. That is why it is what type there? String type. Now let us see like how we done the verification part here. Let us see also in the Python we can do or not. So I'll just say print or else first I'm saying normally, okay? Print 0b101. If I print this output now, I should get as what? 5. If I'm not getting 5, means what? Something is wrong. Got 5? Okay. Now let me keep in a proper variable there. Suppose I'll take h equal to 0b101. Print h comma type of h. H comma type of h. First of all, I'm printing h value. So binary in terms of binary it is. If I try to print, what I get the answer there? 5. 5 is what type now? Int. And it is what type? Int type. Let us see your answer is correct or wrong. Clear? Make a note this one. One more number I'll say, then you can just continue. Okay? I can write in small case, I can even write in uppercase also. For clarity, suppose I'll take j variable 0, capital B I'm taking here 101. Print j comma type of j. So let me give this in comment. So in the MCQs option, you're not able to find small b, then you can go with what? Capital B also. Both are same. Let me print this answer. Same or different? Same or different? Same. Either you can go with small b option. If you're not able to find small b in the MCQs A, B, C, D menu, then you can go with what? Capital B. But mostly they'll give small b only. Okay, don't worry. And what type it is? Int type. Okay. Shall we remove the answers now? Because it'll take print na sometimes. Okay. Let us take one more number now there. Shall I keep this in short or no need? I'll save it for you on desktop. I'll just say binary. Binary 1, I'll say. Okay. One more, we'll see diagram there. Suppose now we'll take number, suppose 9. Find 9 in terms of binary. How? 2 4s are 8. Remainder how much? 1. Next. 2 2s are 4. Remainder how much? 0. Next. 2 1s are 2. Remainder what? 0. Top to bottom or bottom to top? Bottom to top. Sorry. 1 0 0 1. Let us verify once our answer is correct or wrong. How? 1 0 0 1. First what power what? 0 1 2. Next what? 3. So value into 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So 2 keep how much? 8 plus 0. Next 0 plus 2 power 0 1. 1 into 1 1. So you got the answer is what there? 9. And in Python, if I do what I'll get here? In the case of Python, write this one. So print I'll do bin of what? 9. If I do this, what I'll get in output there? 0 small b. Small b, okay. 1 0 0 1. If I want the decode, suppose if I decode now, print 0b 1 0 0 1. What I get the output there? Can I even keep capital B also? Yes. 0 capital B 1 0 0 1. What I get the answer then? Make a note of this one. After finding this, find the LCM of 23. Not LCM, I want the 23 in terms of binary. So at least 2 to 4 questions you can expect in the binary, okay, in the exam. Done. I have 4 topics, okay, in this one. So make it fast. Binary there, octal there, hexadecimal there. Okay. How much? 23? 1 0 triple 1. And some people know shortcut, like what power 2, power 4, they'll make it. The technique don't tell to others, okay? Why? All will have a competition, na? How many of you know the technique that power 0, power 2, power 4? Without doing, they can just count and say how much it is. No? Narayana Chaitanya. Narayana. Which college? SCIT. SCI. SBIT. No, MPC. Srinidhi. That's why you have to choose Narayana Chaitanya College if you want to become perfect in the mathematics. They will say.
First year that is the second year.
Which campus?
First I was in Kupaswali, then Malina.
That is IIT Vaishnav. IIT, how can you expect this one? Okay, done. How many got the answer? 23. You find manually, I can't find manually because I know Python. So we'll see in the Python their answer. So what I'll type there? Print bin of 23. How much? 10111. Let us see 10111 answer. Yes, correct answer. So if I want to verify, also I can verify print 0b 10111. So this should give me the 23 answer there. Yes, given. I can even go with what? Capital B also. Both are fine. Okay. So this is about the binary part. This is about the binary part. Shall we go to the next one now? Next topic. Next you have is what now? After binary, I'll go with what? Octal will go. So octal means how much? 8. Octal means how much? 8. Okay. Now I want suppose or 11. 11 in terms of octal. 8. 8 ones are 8. Remember how much there? 3. Can you do something else more? No. How much is the answer there now? No. Okay, let me go properly there. 1 3 is the answer. But in the Python, you get the answer as what there? 0. Let me write here. More foundations over. I'll get what? 0 small o. What I get? 0 small o. That's I'm writing 0 differently. Suppose some of your friend is absent. You're giving a notes to him. Then he doesn't know you're writing there 0 or O or whatever it is there. As it is, he or she will copy. That's why write your 0 properly, small o properly, and capital O properly. If I'm not able to find small o, they can go with what? 0. Capital also can go. Yes or no? Okay. So let us verify our answer correct or wrong. First of all, 1 3. Power how much here? Here 1. How? Okay. 1 into 8 power 1. Next 3 into 8 power 0. So 8 plus 3 into 1. 3. 8 plus 3 how much? 11. So in the case of Python, I get the answer in different way. Like what I'll get? Yeah, I'll write it over here. Yeah. So if I write print, how will I do? Oct. How will I do? Octa what number? Suppose 11. Then what I get in the output there? Hash 0 small o 1 3. And what type it is again there? String type. Okay. I'll show that also once. And if I try to again recorrect, suppose if I do 0 small o 1 3. What's the output now? Answer. Then or else if I do print 0 0 capital O 1 3. What I get in the output again there? Okay. Clearly make a note down. Clear or doubt is there? Kamshi, clear? What about Anish, Satish, and Ravindra? Responding chat box once. Okay, fine, Satish. Okay. So can you find the octal? I want to suppose 24 in terms of octal. Find once, okay. Now you're telling after 5 days, 4 days in the entry you go, again you'll open the book. Yeah, how? Can you tell me once? So what I want to 24 in terms of what? Octal. So divide by 2 or 8? 8. 8 3s are 24. Remainder how much? 0. In Python, how I get the answer? 0, small o, 3, 0. Or else 0, capital O, 3, 0. And how to verify? 0 here, 1 here. And this is the reason why they keep aptitude round or CRT for the freshers in the first round. We'll be having mathematics, English, all these things. This is the reason they keep. Okay. So value into, so 3 into 8 power 1 plus 0 into 8 power 0. How much here? 24 plus 0. How much answer there? 24. And in the case of Python, how will I write it? Print, suppose. Okay. How? Octal na? So OCT of 24. How much I get the answer there? 0, small o, 3, 0. Or else print 0, small o, 3, 0. What I get? 24. Or else print 0, capital O, 3, 0. 20. Make a note. You'll get why 3? How much you'll get? 230 something. Wait. First copy this and tell you. Binary of 3. I think 101. 1 triple something. See. 1 1. MPC na? No. MPC. Minings. But math. You had na 1A. 1A you had. I covered all engineering colleges, all diploma colleges, all companies. Anything they doubt, ask me, I'll tell you. If I tell about my history, even Google also cannot delete my history. Lengthy part is this. I don't say about myself. So any subject you bring to me, tell, okay, but don't bring the core subject to me. Okay. So mathematics 1 I have taught in Secondary Polytechnic College, Nizamabad, then Gachibowli, all colleges. Next target is North India. Over. What are 3 answers? Aziz, 3. Okay, let me check this file also. Next, after binary octal, we'll go to what next? Hexadecimal. So in terms of hexadecimal, hexa means what? Or hexa will say, okay. In the Python we say as what? Hex. How much? 16. Okay. But before going here, let me, or afterwards I'll tell you. Okay, not now. I want first of all 22, or we'll take 18. What will take? Tell me any number random. 18. So I want 18 in terms of what? Octal. Not octal, in terms of hexadecimal. So by what? 16. 16 ones are 16. Remember how much? 2. So in Python, how I get answer? 0, small x. Then 1, 2. Or else 0, capital X, 1, 2. Let us verify our answer is correct or wrong. So 1, 2. Power what is 0 and power what? 1. So value into 1 into 16 power 1 plus 2 into 16 power 0. So 16 plus 2. How much? 18. And one more thing here. A means what? The value of A or capital A, both. The value of small a or capital A. How much will be the value there? 10 in terms of hexadecimal. Then small b or capital B or small b. How much will be the answer there? 11. Then capital C or small c, 12. Then capital D or small d, 13. Then small e or capital E, small e or capital E. How much? 14. Then small f or capital F. How much? 15. Then small g, capital G. All MPC. Make a note. So G, H, I did? No. Up to where only? Up to F. A doubt there ask, okay? But don't skip. And Pakka, at least I can expect 2 to 3 questions they ask this one. Binary they may ask hexadecimal or octal. And in Python, we write like code how? In Python, we write like code. Okay. I'm writing over here. You're not able to see. So print hex of what number there? 16, not 16, 18. So in Python, I get the answer like this. Okay. Hash 0, small x, 1, 2. Or else if I try to print 0, small x, 1, 2. What I get the answer there? 18. Or else print 0, capital X, 1, 2. I get the answer is what there? 18. Or else if I try, not 118, 18. Or else if I try to print, just writing few things only, okay? 0x, suppose small c, a capital C. Then I get the answer is what there again? 18. Let us see if we'll get or not. So last I'll remove this one because we'll see the practical part. So some things I don't want to keep there. Done. So let me show one zip. Or if it octal will need octal got missed here. Just will do fast here octal. So I'll take f equal to what? Octa what numbers? Something number we done last 11. So print here f comma type of 11. What you got answer there? In terms of octal, I'm saying. So what type will get something answer get what? 0, 0, 1, 3. And what type it is? Class of string. String or int? Somewhere. No, here correct. Why? Because what I'm doing there, keeping there what? Type of 11. Type of 11 is what type? So in the interview, sometimes they will confuse you. You have to be very careful there. By exciting mode, what will item come there? 0, 0, 1, 3, class of string. But you won't check the total question this part there. Okay, because 11 is what type? Integer. Suppose if I say 11.7, it is what type? Not getting the float. So you have to be careful at the time of writing the code or writing or answering the question. You have to be very careful here. Okay. Now, let me keep the rest there now. Now what's answer now there? So 0, 0, 1, 3, class of string. Want proof? Already you know how to do the proof. So just write the small part, print 0, 0, 1, 3. That's it. Or else I can go with what? Capital O also. Both are same. Then what type it is? In type. Okay, if you want, you can do type of all such things. Okay. Next, what about hexadecimal? So in Python, we have print hexar. Okay, else will take a variable w equal to hex of what number? 18 or 18. So what you got the number there? Print w comma type of w. How much you got? 60, 18 answer 1 0x12. And what type it is? A class of string. Okay. Now same thing we can do with help of what? Print statement directly there. Print 0x12 or else I can go capital X also. Okay. Both will give the same answers. And for 15 last what? Suppose I keep the what? Suppose print 0x small a. Now this is not 0, it is what? O 0. Small a value how much there? 10. Will I get 10 or not? Check once there. If I keep suppose what? C means how much? 12. I'll get the what? 12. Okay. So F is how much? 15. 15 I'll get or not get? But G I told her G. No. G not there. There or not there? So what I'll get what? Error there. Okay. Even the Python also not accept it. Yes or not? Invalid hexadecimal literal. So up to where I have only F. Either small f or capital F. Both are fine. Okay. So you can just make a part there. I'll just type A, then D, then last what? F. Okay, just make a note. Done. I can go with capital letter or I can go with what? Small case, uppercase or lowercase. Both are fine. No. So now in the case of here, ORD of 1 means what? How much is the 9 number? 49. 0 means what? 48. 1 means what? How much? 49. So here I have up to 57. 57 is what? Up to here what? 9. If I keep the 9, what I get? 57. Zero O triple zero means what I'm saying. This in terms of octal. How much? Or else tell me some number. This is not an octal. Some number. 18 or? Tell the answer. 0A18 something got. Can I do pass this 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 8 there? I have to pass 18 in terms of octal. How much in terms of octal? 18. 0. This not an octal of some 11 numbers something. 11 in terms of octal, how much? 1 3. So 11 will get 11 means how much we don't know. So what you got there? Blank line. Because 11, see 11 there or here? In ASCII chat 11 there. So we have to type something number there. Suppose we'll take some of the number there. In terms of octal, suppose we'll do what? 41. That's what I done here. So we'll take something number there. We'll take what? 141 will take, or 142 will take. We'll get small b or not to check there. 142 if I do, will I get small b or not? So clear screen there, run. Fine. 41 means how much there? Not symbol. Yes or no? 41 in terms of octal means how much? Not a symbol. Not symbol you got there. And this they won't ask, okay? But they ask you to find what? ASCII value without knowing, or ASCII value, or by using the value. Either you have to keep small a. Where will keep small a? In the ORD or CHR? In the ORD. In CHR, what will keep? Integer number. Or else you have to pass like this in terms of octal hexadecimal. Okay, that much they won't ask, okay? And ORD of capital A, how much? 65. Capital Z? Capital Z? 90. Capital Z how much? 90. 90. Okay, small a how much? 65. Capital Z how much? 90. Okay, this you have to remember, okay? Compulsory, not butterfly, whatever it is, but you have to remember, or else you have to write like the code like this. By using the what? ORD. Then 41. So 41 means how much there? X na. X means what? Hexadecimal. In terms of hexadecimal, 41 means how much there? A. I'll get this A or not check once. Okay. If I do suppose small a want, means what I have to keep there? 61. If I keep 61, will I get small a or not check once there? Okay. Up to your choice how you want to make it. Next. CHR of what? 0B 0. Anything happens there? Nothing, null. But same thing if I do 0B 101. Some straight symbol there. 101 is what here? Something in terms of or. Okay, something number there. 0B means what? Binary or 101. Or else let us pass something there properly value there. Suppose it pass 69. So 69 means how much? Or 0B binary of what number there? 5. 5 means how much? 101. But what are you getting there? We got the safe symbol there. So what I have to pass is some number there. Some number you do what? 67 you have to find on 5. How will find? Print bin of. Bin of what? 67. How much? Something number there. Don't know. Or you have to find what? Manually.